Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a new file in Photoshop. Step 1. Simply press Ctrl N, then create a new file, or go to File, New, and first of all type name, example, preset, use custom or default.
Use paper, international paper, photo, web, mobile and device film. Use customs and white. Example use 1218 and 20 pixels, inches, millimeters, point, etc. Resolution for web 17 to 2 and print or other 300 inch. Color mode RGB. Crystal CMYK color, use RGB color. White 8, 16, 32 and background white color, background white or transparent color or background color etc. Then click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.